going to move again?
It's keep drifting so.
Alright, can I give you that to keep going?
Oh my god, it's like such baseball.
Matt, get in!
He's dead.
Oh, it's huge. Oh, shit.
It's the tornado or the hail.
Just keep going. Just have to get as close as we can.
Just cross the road in front of us now.
Oh, it's gone across the road. Making it faster.
Right, I'll go past it now.
Watch out, this maybe. All you do is watch for any down power lines or anything.
Yeah, sure.
Not letting the car down.
You can actually see this. Oh my god. Close, they go through the... Okay. Okay.
Get inside. Get deep, going. It's a real tornado. Check it out, y'all. It's tearing up stuff over there. Golly, there's debris everywhere. It's coming right at us. Oh, wow. Let's go in. Come on in, Bruce. Come on in. Oh, shit. Wow, that was intense, y'all. It broke everything up. Oh, wow.
There's two of them.
We need to go that way. God damn it, go back.
We're fine.
Taylor, go the fuck back. I'm not kidding. We don't know if this thing can change directions. We're not experts. It's crossing the interstate right where we were. Oh my god, yeah, we're semi-good now. Oh my god. That thing is destroying everything.